Now, this is how you can check the friend requests which you have sent on a Facebook through the iPhone. Let's get started. If you're new on Foxtecc, most definitely subscribe so you never miss anything important. Anyways, what you need to do is to open up the Facebook app like this, and at the bottom, in the bottom right corner, we have the menu button. So you need to go to the friends. In here, you might also have the friends accessible from the tab bar at the bottom right away, but inside of the friends, you can see your friend requests like that. So you can click on the see all, right? And you can see all of the requests, but these are those from other people which have requested to be friends with you. To check out the friend request you have sent out, tap on the three dots in the top right, and you can see we can view send requests. And you can see in my case, I do not have any of them, but if I did, I would be able to manage them, right? And of course, at least check out and see what's really going on. So that's how you can find it on your device. If for some reason you do not see it, it's possible that you don't have the latest version of Facebook. So check out the App Store, go to the search and literally type in Facebook. And if there is an update available, make sure you install it, right? And you will be running the latest version of Facebook, which is possible that it will also bring the latest features, including, this thing here. So yeah, I really hope that could help you out with this. Let me know what you think below. Most definitely subscribe for more, and I'll see you later in the next tutorials and videos like this one. So thanks a lot, and I'll talk to you later.